Hey guys, it's Aman
and Christina
from Our Rich Journey. We finally did it. We bought a home here in Portugal, and we are so excited to show it to you today. I mean, we have been talking about this and teasing you up to this moment for months, because after months and months of research, after looking at what felt like hundreds of homes, not hundreds, but a lot of homes, we have finally decided on the home for us here in Portugal. And so we're gonna take you guys through it. We're gonna show you all the plans that we have for it, but we're just gonna share the excitement that we have about buying a home here in Portugal.
So in case you're wondering, in Aman's excitement, he forgot to mention that this house back here is the house that we bought. So if you're new to our channel is all about making money, saving money, and investing money. Aman and I reached financial independence after 8 years, and we quit our federal jobs and we moved to Portugal. We actually rented a place in Lisbon, Portugal for about a year. And if you're interested in seeing that place, we'll leave a link in the description below. But after living in Portugal for almost a year, we found the house that was for us. We purchased this house behind us, and now it's time to show you everything about the house, including the beautiful yard.
So we're gonna start with the yard first. This was the selling point for us because we love to work with our hands. We love to be outdoors. And when you see this yard, you are gonna see exactly why we fell in love with it. After we show you the yard, we're gonna take you inside the house. Now, the interior of the house still needs a little bit of work. I think that it's a fine, beautiful home on the interior, but we wanna make it our own. And we love to do renovations. So that's gonna be maybe it'll be another series on this channel. But for sure, if you're following us on Instagram, you can see all of the renovations in real time there.
So without further ado, let's start with the yard. So the house is located on a little less than an acre of land, and the backyard is huge. It has a fully green space directly behind the house and a garden immediately after that with a ton of different plants and fruits and vegetables and different fruit trees. We plan on planting even more fruits and vegetables because we want to create a totally sustainable fruit and vegetable garden so that all of the fruits and vegetables and herbs that we eat are organic and from our garden. Right now, the garden has potatoes, tomatoes, bell peppers, zucchini, eggplant, butternut squash, lettuce, and greens. And we have fruit trees with kiwis, apples, pears, figs, persimmons, lemons, and limes. And we have grapes growing along the back perimeter of the yard. We looked at a ton of different homes before we found this one. This house is along the beautiful Silver Coast of Portugal, just 15 minutes from the beach. It was originally priced for 250,000 euro. It dropped to 212,000 euro. We offered 180,000 euro, and we settled on a final sale price of 190,000 euro, which is almost 25% off the original asking price. Before we moved to Portugal, we set aside a house fund to ultimately purchase a house in cash here. So we bought this house cash. If you want to learn more about the process of buying a home in Portugal, be sure to sign up for our Moving to Portugal course. In the course, we talk about all the steps and paperwork involved in buying a home in Portugal, but we also talk about obtaining visas in Portugal, obtaining a residence permit, getting NIFs. We talk about taxes, schools, healthcare, and a lot more. We'll leave a link in the description below for the course. We also have a shed in the backyard that's stocked with a bunch of different firewood, which will come in handy in the winter time because the house has 2 fireplaces, and there's also a fireplace in the backyard gazebo. Our ultimate plan is to build a chicken coop next to the shed. We built a chicken coop in the backyard of our home in the San Francisco Bay Area, and we love taking care of the chickens and getting fresh eggs every day. So building a chicken coop is on our to-do list after we finish renovating the interior of the house. Once we're done renovating the house, we plan on adding carrots, onions, more tomatoes, strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. We would also love to plant an avocado tree, but we're really happy with what we have now, so we won't start adding to the backyard garden until we're done renovating the inside of the house. So this is the front of our house, and as you can see, it has a really long entryway. We love the setback from the street. It just adds to the privacy, and we love how green it is. The front and backyards have an automatic sprinkler system to water the lawn. And what's great about this house is that all of the water comes from a well on the property. There's an abundance of water in this area of Portugal, and it's common for the properties in this area to all have wells and to be 100% on well water, which is also tested for purity and safety. So we use the well water to maintain the entire front and backyard, and we have no water bill for this property. So this is the top floor of the house. We're gonna be doing renovations throughout the entire house, and we plan on doing everything ourselves. If you've seen our real estate videos, you can see the renovations we did on the properties in the Bay Area. We did the work ourselves, and we plan on doing similar renovations to this house. You can check out our previous real estate renovation videos in the description below. Here in the living room, we plan on replacing all the floors and painting the walls and installing new lights. In the kitchen, we're gonna paint, replace the flooring, take out the countertop, replace the sink, and replace the backsplash. And we're actually gonna be keeping the original cabinets, but we're gonna paint them over and install new hardware. If you wanna see our renovations real time, make sure to follow us on Instagram at Rich Journey. In the bedrooms, we're going to be replacing the flooring, light fixtures, and paint. The bathroom is probably the biggest job upstairs. We're gonna retile the entire bathroom, put in new floors, replace the cabinets, and we're gonna be replacing the mirror. We've got a lot of plans for this bathroom. The downstairs area is where the previous owner actually lived exclusively. It has a bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and a living space that's also part of the garage. So this is going to be a big project because we need to put up a wall to separate the living room and the garage, and we're actually going to remove the kitchen and turn it into a master bedroom, and we're going to upgrade the bathrooms and turn the existing bedroom into another space. Our plan with this bathroom downstairs is to give it a similar look and design as the renovation that we planned for the upstairs bathroom. So we'll be retiling here. We're going to be putting in new floors and putting in new cabinets. And one last thing, the house has an attic. We may renovate the attic into a livable space in the future, but we have no plans to do that anytime soon. We've got a ton of work to do on the house, so make sure you follow us on Instagram to watch our renovations in real time. And if you want to see videos of us renovating the home on YouTube, leave a comment and let us know below.
So this is our new home here in Portugal. Now, as I said earlier, follow us on Instagram to keep up with the renovations as they take place in real time. And you should also check out our Moving to Portugal course if you guys are also interested in moving to Portugal. We go into a lot of detail about the visa process, about buying your own home, and how we were able to get such a good deal on this house. We talk about everything in that course, and we're so excited to share that with you. So as usual, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey.